What drives it day after day? The powerful six-cylinder MAN. It's truly impressive just how effortlessly and reliably it runs. But why don't you come with us and we'll show you where this powerhouse is built. Here at the Nuremberg plant, the MAN Truck and Bus Competence Center, we develop and manufacture engines for advancing mobility. For almost 100 years, trucks and buses bearing our brands have been traveling the world's roads, powered by engines made in Nuremberg. In our new development center, more than 150 highly qualified designers are committed to the future of technology. Extensive laboratory tests and trials work towards a single major goal: to make engines even more powerful, efficient, and environmentally friendly. State-of-the-art processes and technologies in manufacturing high-tech products. Whether 4- and 6-cylinder inline engines or 8-, 10- and 12-cylinder V engines from 50 horsepower to 1800 horsepower, each of our engines is an example of efficiency in its own right, successfully integrated in a variety of applications, such as utility, construction, agricultural machinery, rail and combined heat and power units, generating sets, as well as yachts and workboats. Dynamic and refined, powerful and economical, clean and quiet. With the result that our diesel and gas engines accelerate one thing in particular: our customers' success. High-tech engine test procedures enable drive tests to be carried out away from the road on our test bench for optimized engine design. Up to 120,000 engines can be produced in the high-tech Nuremberg plant every year, built by around 4,000 employees. Loaded with power. A strong brand. MAN.